Now we are into a last part of the Google Docs. That is nothing but managing your document. How to manage your created document. First one, it will come. The use of the Google Docs is to share with our teammates, right? To share with our teammates. For example, if you like to share this particular document you have been created with your teammate or with your colleague, what we can do? We can go to File, select first option is that share. Once you select, you can add whom you like to share. Their email address you have to add, and you have to say what kind of sharing you would like to do. Okay, once you have been added, like I selected one particular person. Can he edit, or only he can view, only he can comment? That's a permission you are giving to those particular persons with whom you are sharing this particular file, and you can write a message about that what need to be done by your teammates. Okay, this is about a share option, and you can copy the link to share it in a other platform like WhatsApp or any other messaging platform. And you can create a new document by going to the file. You can create a new document from here itself. Okay, one more document, or from a template also you can select creating a document. Open is nothing but if it is already created document, if you like to open, you can say open, and you can select which document you would like to open from your drive. And next it comes to make a copy. Okay, make a copy is nothing but same document if you like to create it one more. Okay, that is nothing but a make a copy. And email this document if you like to share with the email, go to email attachment. It will say that to whom you would like to share, whom you would like to share this particular document. That email address you have to write, message you have to write. It will be in a PDF format. Which format it need to be, Microsoft Word format or PDF format, which format we need to share, and say send, so that it will be shared with that particular format to person whom you have been shared in an email it will be. And go to file and download this particular document in a Microsoft Word format. It can be open document format, PDF format, text format, or web page format. Any format you can select and you can download. In the sense, you can majority of them will be using a Microsoft Word, right? So that what we can do, we can download it in a Microsoft Word, and we can use it in a future in a Word format also, whatever you have been created in a doc also. And make availability offline. If you click on this, what will happen, if you are not connected to the internet also, you will be able to edit it, or you will be able to open that one, and you can use it. Okay, make available offline if you selected that one. History is nothing but if you are edited multiple times, you will be able to get about a history about what you, when you have been edited this particular document. To know about that one, we'll be using a version history. Whenever what time you have been created, when you have been edited, those things we can able to check, escape to come out from that one. And rename the document. For example, you have been given a long name. If you like to rename to a small name, then we can say rename the document. Click outside so that it will be renamed as a demo. And next it is a moving. For example, if you like to move it to a quote, this particular document need to be moved to a quote, then it will be moved to a quote. That particular folder it will be moved. Okay, and a shortcut to the drives, or move to the trash in the sense to delete entire document. Okay, and publish to the web is nothing but like you can publish into your website also. Okay, uh, and you can change the language also from one language to other language. And most important is the page setup. Okay, page setup is nothing but you can change it to the portrait to landscape. Okay, then size of the document from letter A4 A3 like that. And margin, bottom top margin in inches, 1 inch, 2 inch, like that you can give a margin, custom margin you can give. And page color you can change to the any of the color you would like to change it. You can change it to a color of the page also. The entire page color will be changed. Like this we can format the entire page setup in a page setup. And last one, it will be a print, control P for a take a print of the document what you have been created. Okay, this is all about a Google Doc. It is all about a Google Doc, creating a document, formatting, inserting, change of views, tools, special tools, as well as the editing of few of the thing. Everything we learn about Google Doc. And this will be stored in your Google Drive itself. You can go to your Google Drive and you can check. It will be stored in your Google Drive. If you move to any of the folder, in that particular folder it will be moved. And if you log into any time to your Google Docs, then also you can able to see that the newly created one here. It will be there in your Google Docs also, as well as in your Google Drive also. It will be available. It will be available in a drive also. If you select drive, it will be there in a drive also. Right here, the demo, this is what you have been created, that will be there in a drive also. Automatically it will be saved in drive also in your doc. From anywhere you can access this particular document. This is all about how to create a new document or format, about formatting and creating and modifying a document by using a Google Docs.